Hello, my name is Taylor Dana Miller, and this week I am playing the role of a CEO for a large biotech company whose antiviral agent is beginning to go through the early stages of phase 2 research. For the purpose of this discussion, we will act as if the antiviral agent that is being studied is for the coronavirus disease, or COVID-19, which is the infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus that so rocked the world this past year. Most people that become infected with the COVID-19 virus will experience mild to moderate respiratory illness without requiring special treatment. However, older individuals and those with underlying medical conditions are more likely to develop serious illness and may require hospitalization or treatment via ventilation. Our goal with this new drug is to not only prevent individuals from becoming very sick, but to also decrease the number of hospitalizations, intensive care, ventilator treatment, and even death. However, it's important to know that this new drug is experimental and is still in the very early stages of research. While we pride ourselves in the fact that this new treatment is looking promising and more people want to get their hands on it for preventative measures, we also pride ourselves in our hard work of making this a safe and effective agent for all. So far, our researchers have only conducted phase 1 trials for this new drug candidate. In this case, no more than 80 healthy volunteers have participated in this study to evaluate the safety of the drug. Therefore, it is important and necessary to expand upon our research and continue into a phase 2 trial before an early release is made by the company. We hope that with the continuation of this research into phase 2, that we will be able to better gauge safety and side effects, as well as the best dosage for the new treatment. Within this phase 2 trial, we are confident that we will be able to test how well COVID-19 responds to this agent. Upon completion of the phase 2 trial, with the hope of an even more promising outcome, we will discuss an early release on an expanded access basis, also known as compassionate use. On May 30th, 2018, the government implemented the Right to Try Act. This law is another way for patients who have been diagnosed with life-threatening diseases or conditions, who have tried all approved treatment options and who are unable to participate in a clinical trial, to access certain unapproved treatment. Building on our long-standing efforts to help patients and families who are facing this life-threatening disease, we would be happy to discuss the expansion for compassionate drug use, making this drug available to treat seriously ill patients when all other treatment options have been exhausted. We understand the urgency of this antiviral agent, and our company promises to continue with regular updates on its journey through phase 2. Thank you for your patience as we continue to work together to eradicate this disease.